A green paste is prepared, but the special ingredients are curry leaves and chilies that are fried together and then added to the mix. This is ground to a vibrant green paste. Chicken is then marinated in spices and it's added to caramelized onions. The green paste is poured over once the chicken has browned, and this is cooked till the chicken is nice and tender. Let's start with the chicken. I'm using a whole chicken and this is roughly 800 grams. Add the juice of half a lime, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and salt to taste. Canadian chickens are normally double in size, so I'm just using half of it in this recipe. Marinate this for about 30 minutes or so. Heat up some oil and add 10 to 11 chilies. This is roughly 17 grams. I'm also going to add 1 cup of curry leaves. This is roughly 8 grams. Once you see the chilies blistering and the leaves get crisp, take them off the heat. In my food processor, I'm going to add the juice of a lime. I'm also going to add about 30 grams of ginger and 30 grams of garlic. Add 1 tablespoon of peppercorns and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Next, I'm going to add 2 cups of fresh coriander leaves. And finally, I'm going to add in the chilies and the curry leaves that have now cooled. Grind this to a paste. You may have to add a little bit of water to get this going. In my kadai or wok, I'm going to add some oil. Once it's hot, I'm going to add in 2 cups of sliced onion. Allow the onion to caramelize. Once the onions are light brown, I'm going to add in the chicken. Allow the chicken to sear and get some color for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'm going to add in all of that luscious green paste and I'm going to mix it. Add 2 cups of water to your blender. This is to make sure that you don't lose any of that green paste, and pour it in. I'm going to add salt to taste and I'm going to cover it. Now I'm going to cook the chicken on low till it's nice and tender. This should take about 30 minutes. Make sure to stir in between and add water only if needed. Enjoy.